Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I will be walking you through how to turn off autofocus in iPhone. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So the very first thing that I want you to do is go and launch your settings. After that, scroll down and tap on focus here. Let me just say, for example, you want to turn off any one of the focuses such as they're written. Tap on it, scroll down, there you will have an option called delete focus. Tap on it and then it's done. Here, let me show you doing the same with the another one. Scroll down, tap on delete focus. There you go. This is it. So this is how you turn off autofocus in iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks related to iPhone. Thank you for watching.